Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare casein versus whey protein in baking. We will explore how these two popular milk-derived proteins behave differently when exposed to heat and other ingredients. Understanding their unique characteristics is crucial for achieving the perfect texture and moisture in your baked goods. We will delve into their distinct properties and how they influence your culinary creations, helping you make informed choices for your recipes. When baking with whey protein, remember its rapid absorption properties. It tends to absorb a significant amount of moisture, which can sometimes result in a drier or tougher texture in your final product. To counteract this, consider reducing the amount of whey protein by about 1/4 compared to regular flour, or combine it with other moisture-rich ingredients. This approach helps maintain a pleasant texture and prevents excessive dryness. Casein protein, on the other hand, offers a different experience in baking. Its slower digestion rate translates to excellent moisture retention in your recipes. This property helps create a softer, more tender crumb, making it ideal for cakes, muffins, and breads. Casein can also contribute to a richer, creamier texture, enhancing the overall mouthfeel of your baked goods. It's a fantastic choice for adding both protein and desirable texture. Ultimately, the choice between casein and whey protein in baking depends on your desired outcome. If you're aiming for a crispier texture or need a quick protein boost without much moisture, whey might be your go-to. However, for moist, tender, and soft baked goods like brownies or cookies, casein protein is often the superior choice. Experiment with both to discover how each can elevate your favorite recipes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.